This is Michelle from the Interactive Systems Group. This is the 7th video in a series of videos meant as quick help to using the Virtual Agent Interaction Framework, or VAIF. I'm going to show you how to create some other general events: an animation, a dialogue, a rotate to, and a last event. If the event is an animation, you must define the animation to use. Here is where you will manually type in the name of any animation that you have listed in your animation manager. This animation must also be stored in the resources folder of the assets folder in your Unity project. Your list of animations is going to be defined in your agent's animation manager. So if you click on, say, the agent Taima, and you scroll down her inspector, you'll see a component, let's look for it really quick, called Animation Manager. You'll create a size, say you have 5 in your library, and you'll drag and drop the references of the animation clips from wherever you have in your resources folder, wherever you have your animations. So in my resources folder, right here, I open my animations and I drag and drop. If the event is a dialogue, you're going to have to define the dialogue you're going to use. Once again, this is from the list of dialogues in my resources folder. Here. So all I have to do is drag and drop the reference of the audio clip to this part or field in the component. To edit the rotate to event, you're going to have to choose a speed at which to rotate to this object and a reference to the object you will face when you're rotating this agent. So this target agent will rotate to this object that I drag and drop its reference to. And I will choose in this field some speed or how fast I want her to rotate to or face that object. If you want an event to be the last event of a conversation, so say my move event, if I want this event to be my last played, I don't have to fill my next event, but I do have to check my is last event field. Now in order to set up the move event, I'm going to have to choose the transform. And once again, I will have to choose the speed at which to follow this object.